If this is your case, please stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning, the honorable judges, all worthy opponent, respected member, and all beloved audience. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Alay Kuwati Munir, as of first speaker of the affirmative team. The motion is increasing teacher salary is the key to improving education quality. You know that nowadays many teachers struggle because their salaries are below the minimum wage, and this hardship leads to a lack of motivation in teaching. So we strongly affirm that this motion is true. I will present about two ways. First, attraction of teacher profession. If the teacher if the teacher salaries is high, the teacher profession will interest to a lot of people. Second, motivation and performance. Better salaries, better salaries will increase teacher motivation to working harder, more creative, and innovative. Therefore, increasing increasing the teacher salaries is an important thing to make the education. uh, Therefore, increasing the teacher salaries is important to improving education quality. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, first speaker from the affirmative team, for your constructive speech. Please give applause. Now, I would like to invite the first speaker of the opposition team to deliver the first rebuttal. You have 5 minutes. Please stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thankfully and respectfully for our judges, Mr. Munir and Mahfud, and don't forget the audiences, especially for our friends. Before we deliver our arguments today, we from opposition team would like to introduce our members. The first speaker is B. Krishna Ubaidillah Al-Hanif. The second speaker is Parastia Balkis Atsarani Bimi. The third speaker is Elsa Briliana Aziza. As it is mentioned in the motion is increasing teacher salary can improve education quality. We absolutely disagree if increasing teacher salary can improve the education quality, because the reason is intrinsic factors from the teacher tend to be more effective than incentives increase or salary increase. There is a research paper conducted by Nguyen and Patel, published in 2024, titled Intrinsic Motivation and Teacher Effectiveness Beyond the Paycheck. So in the paper, it's proven that intrinsic factors is better than incentives increase, because first, passion and commitment from the teacher is important because it, it can make the teachers to be long terms in their jobs, which means the teacher will love their jobs, their passion. They like to be around kids and children, especially students, of course. While even if the salary is standard, not really high, but if the teachers love it, it will be okay, and the job or teaching activities from them in their job will be long term. Yeah, we can see at uh, uh, another people who cannot manage children environment. They will be stressful. They will be pressured. Even though if they got big big salaries, they will get out or just out from their job. And then students need a motivated teacher, motivating teachers. As we can see when we feel our activities nowadays, we feel like our teachers is only well go in the class, yeah, enter our class, giving materials, and there is no like souls in our learning activities. Meanwhile, if we look at motivating teachers, even if our teachers is graduated from elementary school, I'm sorry, it brings more, soul, spirit to all of students. So based on those arguments and research paper, this house believes that increasing salary cannot improve the education quality. Thank you very much.
Thank you, First Speaker from the Opposition Team for the speech. Now, I welcome the second speaker from the Affirmative Team to present the next argument. You have 5 minutes, please stand up.
Okay, I'm Nabila Tigran Abda as the second speaker of Affirmative Team. Evidence shows that countries with higher teacher pay enjoys better student outcomes. For example, countries in Finland and Singapore, where teachers are well compensated, consistently perform excellently. Increased salaries reduce teacher stress and burnout, allowing them more time to prepare innovative lessons. This results in higher students' motivation and performance. Also, competitive salaries attract the brightest graduates to the profession, raising the overall teaching standard. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, second speaker from the Affirmative Team. Please give applause. Now, let's hear the counter arguments from the opposition team. You have 5 minutes, please stand up.
Okay, thank you so much for the second speaker of the Affirmative Team for the argument. But unfortunately, we're from the opposition team. We absolutely disagree with your team's argument. Why? Because we believe that increasing teacher salary isn't going to improve the education quality. Because from the research paper that conducted by Stater at 2024, titled Larger Pay Increase and Adequate Benefits Could Improve Teacher Retention, salary only attract candidates and retain teachers from leaving their job. And this research finds that teacher performance is not impacted by their salary because they find that teacher even performs extra work for no pay. And it stated that low wages, and even with the low wages, the teachers still perform greatly. And then The second one, we got the bigger other factors such as infrastructure that presented in the journal from Taiwan 2025 titled Teacher Motivation in Developing Quality Learning in Indonesia. It stated that the primary problem in Indonesia is infrastructure and limited training and also high workload. So, from these two journals, there's no correlation between the salary and also the teacher performance. Stated in the first journal that we citated, and to truly improve the education quality, we need to address the bigger issues. And instead of directly throwing the money to increase teacher salary, we can use the money to address the primary issue in the education to actually improve the education quality in Indonesia. That's all for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, second speaker from the opposition team. Please give applause. Now, please welcome the third speaker from the affirmative team. You have 5 minutes. Please stand up.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Young honorable judges, other record and given and our beloved partner. Thank you to the opposite team. I'm Susira Maitreya as the first speaker of the affirmative team. To conclude our argument, increasing teaching standards is a critical factor for improving education quality as ensures motivated, skilled, and stable teachers. Opponents may argue increasing teacher salary is that money is better for increasing education in Indonesia atas infrastructure, but without high quality teacher, those efforts cannot success. Teacher quality is the cornerstone of education, and proper compensation is the best way to secure it. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, third speaker from the affirmative team. Please give applause. We have arrived at the final stage of this debate. Let's hear the closing arguments from the opposition's third speaker. You have 5 minutes. Please stand up.
Thank you for the opportunity. The affirmative team argues that boosting salaries will improve education, but the evidence suggests otherwise. First, it turns out that intrinsic motivation matters more than a fat paycheck. Most teachers choose this career out of passion and a sense of mission. In other words, teachers driven by dedication often reach better than those driven only by salary. Simply throwing money to the problem overlooks the teacher's commitment that truly drives learning. Second, pay is only one factor among many that shape education quality. In practice, a fully funded and well-supported teacher often makes bigger difference than a higher paid but isolated one. Finally, the impact of salary hikes varies by context. Evidence shows that pay increases help most in struggling rural settings where attracting talent is hardest, but yield minimal gains in resource-rich urban schools. This suggests that in many urban districts where salaries are already relatively competitive, simply increasing pay a bit more is not going to suddenly lift students' performance. In sum, raising salaries is not a silver bullet, but passionate, skilled teacher and strong system matter just as much or more. Intrinsic dedication, smart training programs, good leadership, and modern curricula and context-specified solutions drive quality. Therefore, we conclude
that simply increasing teacher salaries will not by itself improve education quality. The situation is far more complex and require further reform. Thank you.
Thank you, dear speaker from the opposition team. Please give applause. We're now moving on to the reply speeches, where each side will have 3 minutes to summarize their case. According to the rules, the opposition team will speak first, followed by the affirmative team. Opposition reply speaker, please stand up.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. First of all, we want to give argument that we absolutely disagree if increasing teacher salary is the key to improve the education quality. Based from our research, we gave new research papers which is tested and credible, and there are many things we cover, like for example intrinsic motivation, or intrinsic motivation, and extra. And in our opinion, from affirmative team haven't explained enough, like explain clearly about the explanation. So like the audience and us especially still don't understand about the causality. Like this. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please give applause. Lastly, the reply speaker of the affirmative team, please stand up.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Firstly, thank you for the opposition for your argument and opinions. However, we maintain that increasing teacher salaries is fundamental because it directly affects teacher motivation, uh, retention, and professionalism. Without well-compensated teachers, even the best infrastructure or curriculum cannot effectively utilized. We believe that improving salaries is the solid fundamental or on which all other educational improvements depend. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Please give